Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to change Google Play Store country, and all we have to do is to launch our Play Store. And then from here, we are going to tap on our profiles and then tap on payment and subscription. From there, we're going to tap on payment methods. And then from here, we are going to tap on more payment settings. As you can see, once we tapped on more payment methods, it did take us to another website on our browsers, which is Payment Center. We're going to tap on the three lines from there and then tap on settings. Then from here, I am going to tap on country. Then I'm going to tap on create a new profile. Since we want to change Google Play Store country, then we're going to tap on continue. From there, I'm going to choose the country that I would like to be in. And then let's say I want to be in Brazil. Going to tap on continue. From there, as you can see, all we have to do is to add my address and neighborhood, state, city, and postal code. Then once you're done with setting your new country, you're going to tap on submit, and it's going to change the country from the country you were once in to now the country that you've set it to. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.